So I've just repeated the same facial on the side of my face as well, and my neck as well. I have rinsed my face, dried it, and we're going to use the same head. I've rinsed the head with just warm water, dried it as well, and we're going to clasp it back on. And I just want to show you the motion of how you would do your neck if you choose to do your neck. Apply the gel onto the machine, and you would apply the gel onto your neck as well. And you're just going to go in upward motion as well, all on your neck. Apply pressure going up and minimal pressure coming down all around your neck. And this is going to help with saggy neck, necklines, more definition as well. So that's how you would do your neck. So now we're going to do the second step of our facial. You're going to be using the blue vial, which is the treatment gel, which has the Ageloc technology in it, which is going to reverse your signs of aging with the Ageloc technology. And again, you're going to cut the vial, the tip off. Machine is not on. We're just going to apply the gel onto the machine and onto your face. So the first step was repelling the gel with the negative ions and the negative charge, which they repel each other, which is going to push the gel deep into your skin. So this step, the gel is going to be positively charged ions, and with this step the machine is going to produce a positive charge. So it's going to repel this gel into your skin, and with the first step with the negative ions, now it's going to act like a magnet, and it's actually going to pull the gel back out, along with it all the impurities that have been stuck inside your skin. So you're definitely going to be feeling like your skin is a lot more cleansed. Your pores are going to be smaller. And also for women, when we apply our makeup, it's going to be a lot more smoother. It's kind of like painting with a nice clean canvas. That's what you are doing for your skin right now. So that's a nice layer. So now I'm going to turn the machine on to step 2, and this is preset for 3 minutes. Wait for it to beep. There we go. And again, same motion. We're going to go in an outward motion, applying pressure only on the upward motion. So the galvanic current is actually going to push the Ageloc deep into your skin, penetrating into the deep layers of your skin, which is going to make the Ageloc gel work a lot more effectively. And again, in a heel toe motion. At the same time, the machine is now acting as a magnet, pulling out the first gel that we applied, which were negatively charged, and now it's going to pull it back out. So pushing all the good stuff in, pulling out all the bad stuff. And some people have asked me, well, can I just use the machine with another product or with baby oil? I've even been asked. Well, essentially what you're going to be doing is just going to be pushing baby oil into your skin. So what you want to do is create a more youthful look, more supple skin, and only the Ageloc technology is going to be able to provide that for you. So I would highly advise not to use the machine with any other product. You can hold it on the temple for a few seconds. Come back up to the forehead in a heel toe motion. And this facial again is recommended twice a week. applying pressure only in the upward motion. And that long beep indicates that this session is finished. I'm going to continue with the other half of my face and my neck, and I will be right back.